Welcome to our video tutorial on data-driven web testing with Playwright and Pytest. In this tutorial, we'll explore advanced techniques for enhancing your test suites by leveraging fixtures and external data sources. First, let's understand what data-driven testing is all about. In data-driven testing, instead of hard-coding test data directly into your test cases, you separate the test data from the test logic. This allows you to reuse the same test logic with different sets of data, enabling more comprehensive testing and better coverage of various scenarios. Now, let's dive into our first method, using fixtures to provide test data to our test functions. For better understanding, we will take the login page test codes as an example, which we used in the previous tutorial, running web tests across browsers. But this time, instead of hard-coding the username and password directly into our test code, we will use a fixture to provide this data dynamically. Fixtures are reusable pieces of code that can set up and tear down resources needed for tests. Fixtures can be placed either inside test codes or in the conf-test.py file. The conf-test.py file serves as a means of providing fixtures for an entire directory. Fixtures defined in a conf-test.py can be used by any test in that package without needing to import them. Pytest will automatically discover them. This is a page object file for the login page of the website of Sauce Demo. We move the username and password into the conf-test.py file. In the conf-test.py file, we use Pytest fixture to define an user_data function, returning test data for test codes to use, such as username, password, and invalid password. In the test codes, the test functions take the user_data as an argument. And then the test code can use the user_data at where it needs to, like here the username, password, username, and invalid_password are used. All other parts of the test codes are the same as before. The test should pass if you run it. Now, let's move on to our second method, using external data sources. By storing test data externally, such as in JSON or CSV files, we can further enhance the flexibility and maintainability of our tests. Let's take a look at how we can integrate an external JSON file to provide test data. This is a JSON format user data file containing username, password, and invalid password. In the test codes, here's a code snippet demonstrating how we read test data from an external JSON file. Defining a get_user_data function, open the JSON file, load it to a variable and return user data. In the test function, the user_data variable invokes the get_user_data function to get user data, username, password, and invalid_password. And then test function can use them such as here, and here. Doing the same thing in another test function. You can run it yourself. The code should pass. And there you have it. By utilizing fixtures and external data sources, you can take your web testing to the next level with Playwright and Pytest. We hope this tutorial has been informative and helpful. Please comment it if you have any questions. Thank you for watching. Happy testing!